y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Kennedy. I post weekly here on YouTube. I love to share craft inspo, home decor ideas, style advice. I love to bake, I love to read. If any of that sounds like stuff you also enjoy, you should follow along and hit the subscribe button. But today I'm actually headed to my parents' house. Tomorrow is Juneteenth, so I have the day off, and then Sunday is Father's Day. So I'm headed to spend the weekend with my family. I'm excited. I was home not that long ago for Memorial Day, but it was a very quick trip. So I'm excited to have quite a few days at home. My mom and I already have some craft things we want to get up to. I think we're going to go to a farmer's market. I think we're going to go see Toy Story 5. Is it 5 or is it 6? I think it's Toy Story 5. And yeah, I don't know what else we'll get up to, but it should be a fun weekend. So I thought I would take you along for it. I am not leaving for a little bit, but it's only about an hour and a half drive, so it's not too bad at all. And I think I want to pick up a matcha before I go, but I'm trying to pack my stuff that I want to bring. I'm going home for quite a few days. And I've been doing so many crafty things recently. I've been super into making beaded necklaces, but I also have started on this mosaic birdhouse project. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen these things. And so I'm trying to decide what I bring home with me. I'm like, do I bring all the mosaic stuff home? Because what if I want to work on it? I'll have plenty of time to. So I'm trying to decide what I should bring. I also have all of my beading stuff packed because I know my mom and I want to make some necklaces. I'll show you some of the ones I've made recently. So the first one is this little Anthropologie dupe. This is what got me into it. I found this necklace on Anthropologie. It's not sold out anymore, but it was at the time. $70, but I found the exact same beads on Etsy for $16. So you could say I had a pretty good deal. It looks literally the exact same. So I love this one. And then I shared a video of myself making this one and it went crazy. So I was very surprised about that, but I love this one. I think it's so fun and summery. The charm is from Etsy, but all of the beads are from Hobby Lobby. And then I made this cute one. This charm is also Etsy, same seller as the other one. I have my like to know it down below if you want to look at any of these things. I have them linked. These colorful beads were from Etsy, but the pearls are Hobby Lobby. I think this one's so cute. I love them all, honestly. But then I spiraled and I made this cute fish anklet. I think this is cute. This is kind of a Free People dupe. I was inspired by a anklet I saw on there. I made this seashell bracelet from some, you can't really tell, it's not showing up very well, but they're little seashells. I found these beads at Michael's. So I've been having a great time, as you can tell. And my mom has requested some of these made for her. I ordered her a sun charm and a star charm. So I've got those packed so we could do that this weekend. But yeah, I've just been having fun beading stuff. I feel like it's such a good hobby if you want to do something creative, but hey, you don't want to invest a lot of money. You don't want to have to learn a whole new skill set. Beading necklaces is so easy. The hardest part is definitely doing the tying off this part, putting your, what would you call that? Your clasp on. But once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm gonna finish packing up and I'll be headed out of town soon. But first, like I said, gotta stop for a matcha. We have had such a busy day. Hopefully it's not too echoey in here. I feel like since I don't have any stuff in my bedroom at home really anymore, it feels very echoey. But we've had such a fun day. We started the day, we went to a couple yard sales. Oh, Clementine needs to come in. Hi, baby. Yeah, so we went to a couple of yard sales. We went to an estate sale, which was crazy. They had so much fun stuff, like very much a collector. There was collections of cameras, of books, of records, just literally anything you can think of. So that was fun. And then I had a facial this afternoon, which is really nice. I haven't had a facial in a while, but there's a girl I went to high school with that I really like to go to when I'm in town. And what else? We just went to dinner. It was a very fun day. So I thought I would show you guys the stuff that I picked up at the yard sale, estate sales. The first thing I got was this really cute vase. I love a seashell moment, so I think this is very fun. I got this probably was like a candy dish maybe, but I've been seeing people put like lipsticks and like makeup products in them. I think it's so cute. They're selling one just like it on Anthropologie right now for like $80, and this is real vintage. It was $7. Oh, at that same one, I got this little butterfly tin. I've been wanting a little tin to put like your pills or stuff like that in your purse. So I thought this one was very cute. Has a little butterfly. And then at the estate sale, I might give this to my brother actually, but I found this very fun old Boise glass. It has like a little description about Boise on the back. I got this beautiful Emma Jane Austen novel. And last but not least, I got this beautiful bird plate. I thought this was cute. My mom found this for me actually. So that's all the fun things that I picked out. Tonight we'll probably play some cards and just hang out with the dogs. And then tomorrow, we're gonna go to the farmer's market. And my cousin turns 13. So we're gonna have a birthday party for him, so that'll be fun. And oh my gosh, I almost didn't show you. My mom and I went to Sportsman's to find fishing lures because we're seeing people make bracelets out of these. So we're definitely going to do that tomorrow, and I'm very excited to see how it turns out. Morning, happy Saturday. This morning we headed to the garden center. This is the time of year that they start to put all their flowers and stuff on sale. So I did pick up a couple things. I just got 4 zinnias. I got an orange, a pink, a white, and a yellow one. I don't think the yellow one's bloomed yet. Just because the zinnias I planted, I accidentally got like short variety, so they're not going to grow any taller. So I think I'm going to try to transplant those into like a hanging basket or something and put these in like my box flower bed area, just because I kind of like to do cut flowers in there. So they were $1 each, so might as well. I also have a little farmer's market right next door on Saturday to the garden center, so we checked that out, and then we went and we got a donut from this place I'd never been to in Twin Falls before. It was pretty good. I think it was called 8 Donuts or something like that, if you live in the area. And now it's my cousin's 13th birthday, so here in about an hour we're gonna head to his little birthday party, and I can't believe, I bet he's taller than me. Last time he was almost taller than me, and I'm 5'8", so it's just crazy how much I feel like he's grown up in the last couple of years, but that'll be fun. This is
Daisy, wait! Hi! So cute! Yeah!
Well, I am back home now. This weekend was so much fun. It was nice to spend a few days at home with the family. We also did so many activities. We played a lot of cards. We played a lot of cornhole. I love when summertime hits and the cornhole tournaments begin. I feel like my family is very much usually a game family. So it's nice when we can switch up, put the cards away for a bit and play cornhole. But we're still obsessed with nerds and I'm actually getting pretty good. My parents still beat me, but I'm getting better. And if you haven't heard of Nerds, go look it up. It's such a fun game. And then what else did we do? We made so many bracelets and necklaces. I shared the video for the fishing lure bracelets. Come to find out, fishing lures have lead in them. Would never have guessed that in a million years, but it seems like you can put a clear coat of like nail polish or like an epoxy over it and that helps protect against the lead. I don't know, it feels a little weird either way, so I wasn't planning on wearing them all the time, but that was kind of, I was surprised to hear that. But anyway, it was such a fun weekend, and I've been putting my little antiques away that I got at the yard sales and finding new homes for stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun. I'm excited for all of the fun summery things to come because it's officially summer. The solstice was yesterday. I had a great time making my flower crown. I wore it pretty much the rest of the night, just hanging out with my parents. So it was a fun weekend, but thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new here, if you want to subscribe, I would be so happy to have you. We hit 500 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. I started this YouTube channel almost a year ago exactly. I started, my first video was on 4th of July. So it feels really cool to have hit 500 before that. I know in the grand scheme of things, it might not be the biggest number ever, but it means so much to me. So thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.